When we teach our students how to make sounds, it's really helpful to offer cues that help them to see, hear, and feel how the sound is produced. We can also use these cues to correct any sounds that are mispronounced. I'm going to model how to teach the sound of the letter B using these cues. B spells the sound B. We call B a lip-popping sound because when we say it, we keep our mouth closed and our lips together until they pop open with a burst of air as the sound is made. Let's all say that lip-popping sound, B. When we say B, the voice box is turned on, and it feels like we have a motor in our throat. Touch your throat while you say the sound B. Do you feel that vibration? Hear how quickly we pronounce the sound B. It's a sound that we need to clip off so we don't say at the end. Let's practice the clipping sound, B. Okay, what sound does B spell? B.